How to use the Photos app on your iPhone with iOS 18. With iOS 18, the Photos app supports a new look and layout that you can customize as you like. Apple Photos app has undergone a revamp courtesy of iOS 18 with the new operating system currently in public beta. The app automatically organizes your photo library into collections based on topics, and if you don't like the default collection, you can tweak from them according to your preferences. You shall still find the usual grid of photos that you can view based on years or months. You can sort and filter your photos to display them in a certain order, but now you shall also discover collections for specific photos and videos, including recent days, people, memories, albums, and featured photos. Also, you can now easily move your photos from Google Photos to iCloud Photos. Here, how viewing each collection is as simple as swiping up and down the screen. Jump to the bottom of the screen and customize the layout to remove or resort your collections. To try this app yourself, you shall need the iOS 18 public beta on an iPhone. To install the beta, follow the steps you can download iOS 18 public beta on iPhone. Right now, here how and which models support it. If you have already installed the initial public beta, update the iOS to the third beta to grab the latest changes to the Photos app. How to use and tweak the Photos app in iOS 18.1. Open the Photos app. After installing iOS 18, launch the app Photos app. At the top, you shall see the familiar grid view of your library. Pinch your fingers to zoom out for a wider view of your library. From there, you can jump to a specific month and year. Move your fingers apart to zoom in on a series of photos or a photo. Second, view by months or years. You can also change the view to show photos by months and year. The all view shows you all your photos arranged by date from oldest to newest. Tab years at the bottom and move to a specific year. Tab months and choose a month to view its photos. Third, sort or filter your photos in regular view. Tap the double arrow at the bottom from the menu. You can sort your library by recently added or date captured. Also, 5 cool things to try in Apple iOS 18 public beta. Top tab filter to filter your library to see favorites, edited items, photos, videos, screenshots, or screen recording. Tab view options to zoom in or out to display the photos in their actual aspect ratio, include or exclude screenshots, and include or exclude photos shared with you. Fourth, view collections. Swipe down the screen to view the generated collections such as recent days, albums, people, find collections, memories, trips, shared albums, and featured photos. 5. View a collection. Tap a specific collection to view the photos inside. Depending on the collection, you can then swipe up and down or left and right to look at each photo. Tap the X to close the collection and return to the previous screen. 6. Sort and filter a collection. Just as you can with your main library, you can sort and filter the photos in a collection.